Start by drawing a round head with 2 big eyes. Add 2 long horns that curve back and 2 ears on the sides. Then, draw the body with 4 legs and a little tail. Don't forget the goat's beard. Now, color the goat light gray or cream. Make the horns orange with brown stripes. The beard and hooves can be darker. And don't forget to color the nose brown. Great job! Our goat looks funny and cute with its big eyes and horns. Well done, little artist, you made a friendly farm goat. First, draw a big round body with flippers on the sides and a tail at the back. Add a round face with 2 long tusks coming down. Then, draw 2 big eyes and a nose. Color the walrus gray. Make the face lighter beige and color the tusks white. Add some little dots for whiskers around the mouth. Perfect! Our walrus looks strong and funny, ready to swim in the cold sea. Great work! Little artist, you made a wonderful sea animal friend.